Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sunya's Craft. I hope you are fine, guys. So guys, after a long time I'm uploading new video. I hope you are fine. And I know that you are all very excited for my new video. So yes friends, today I will reuse to the Colgate box for making organizer box. See how to make. So friends, to make organizer box we need cardboard piece and Colgate box and some craft papers. First of all, I will draw home shape in cardboard piece. You can see in the video like a triangle shape. Then I will take Colgate box for making originated box. So guys, you can see. So guys, if you want to stick extra pieces of Colgate box, so you can stick, otherwise keep it. Okay. So friends, now I take a marker or a sketch pen, red sketch pen, for measure the line for cutting boxes in Colgate box. We will cut 2 boxes for measuring. Okay guys. Guys, you will see how I am measuring the size of Colgate box for making originated box. Guys, if you want to measure the box line segments of Colgate box, if you can measure, so measure, otherwise you will skip it. Okay, because I will measure it, because I will make neat and clean type. Okay friends, you can see in the video. Now finally I draw the lines for four sides. Then I will cut it. You will see. Guys, for cutting I will take here cutter, or you can take if you want to take scissor, so you can use scissor, otherwise you can use cutter. Okay friends, but over here I can use cutter for cutting. Then guys, I can take finally I cut the originated box for Colgate box. Then I will take here craft paper or coloring paper, you can say in your language, craft paper or coloring paper. So guys, I can cover the Colgate box. For if you want to decorate extra, so you can decorate yourself. Okay guys, anytime, anywhere, if we will make something, so you can make neat and clean things. You can understand what I want to say. So guys, now I take a cardboard piece which I draw the house shape, otherwise the triangle shape in topper side. You will see first step. Then I will cover that. How cover, you can see step by step. If you have sellotape, so if you have sellotape, if you have glue, so cover it however. Okay, for sticking. Now guys, you will see finally our originated box is ready. If you want to decorate extra, so decorate it, but I will put simply. That's why I will taking here red marker or sketch pen for decorating. So guys, over here I will decorating the originated box. You can see in the video. So guys, I will surely share short video with you. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, so don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel Sunya's Craft. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, finally you can see in the video, beautiful video, look of the day of my art and craft. Actually friends, I make this organizer box first time. That's why I think that I will share this video with my YouTube family. So guys, I hope you like this video. So guys, please share more and more, and make sure to comment 5 to 6 comments. So friends, nice to meet you. Take care guys.